chicken.
The next section is going to be our birds and our ducks. So we're going to start with our birds. You're going to have your index finger and your thumb out. The rest of your fingers are tucked in your fist. And you are making a bird beak, and the birds say tweet, 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 tweet to each other. Tweet, 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 tweet. The birds have a nice beak that's flat, where your thumb is flat and your fingers are flat. But then you're going to bring them in so your fingertips touch and you make a nice round bird's nest. So the bird's nest needs to be round. So nest and beak, nest and beak. You're moving your fingertips on top of each other. Nest and beak, nest and beak. I would aim to get 20 of these very nice rounded nests and flat beaks. Then you're going to switch from a bird to a duck. The ducks have two fingers. Your index and your middle finger are together. Your thumb is out. Your ring and your pinky fingers are still inside your palm. Quack, 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 quack. This is the duck. Quack, 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 quack. And then you're going to round it up. So you've got your bird's nest, your duck's nest, and the duck's beak. Nest and beak, nest and beak. Again, you're going to need to do about 20 of these. These are great exercises to do in the car or when you're bored waiting for your mom. All right, the next exercise is your finger touches. You are slowly going to touch your finger to each of your fingers to your thumb. And then you're going to repeat it going backwards. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. When you're touching, you want to make it look like that bird's nest. So nice and round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2, 1.